South China Sea.
A very sensitive subject coming up by Senator Chris Coons of Delaware. Carrie Cordero, our legal analyst, is here with us. This is the specific question he's asking. Is it legal for the U.S. right now to attack these boats coming in from Venezuela, from other countries, suspected of having cartel members aboard, and then killing those individuals on board?
Yeah, I think that was actually one of the most important questions that we've heard asked this morning, because it gets to the heart of a fundamental legal analysis that the Department of Justice under Attorney General Bondi appears to have made and is giving advice to the White House. And so far throughout this hearing and in response to Senator Coons's question, she has effectively deflected providing the department's legal rationale. The issue that he raises, these strikes on these drug-running boats in the Caribbean, is a really significant legal issue and legal question. The administration appears to be taking the type of approach that the U.S. government and the Department of Justice have taken in the war against international terrorism for the last 25 years against al-Qaeda and its progeny, and applying that same type of legal rationale to these drug-running boats. And yet there's a lot of questions about the extent to which that is lawful. The president has a lot of authority under executive power under Article 2 of the Constitution, but there's also really significant questions of international law. But that's sort of the most meaty question that I think I've heard so far in the hearing since 9 o'clock this morning of a senator press the Attorney General on a legal rationale, but I think she's really been able to deflect it so far.
Let me just follow up, because she did deflect on that. I mean, would you expect her to be able to talk about the legal rationale, or was her answer to that what you would expect?
I think because it is such a significant development and a significant change. I mean, we're talking about a quarter century or more of change in the U.S. government's approach to drug trafficking, a fundamental change from treating it as a criminal matter to a national security matter, that some articulation of what the legal theory is would be appropriate. What might be happening is that the Justice Department has issued a memorandum from their Office of Legal Counsel to the White House. Like, I would expect that in the course of interactions between the White House and the Justice Department. And Justice Departments under both types of political administrations would not want to, and they would fight pretty hard before turning over those actual legal written opinions. But I think it would be reasonable for an attorney general to provide at least the contours of the department's legal analysis.